Hi guys, for today's exercise we're gonna do number 11. So it says here, suppose Nike Incorporation reported the following plant assets and intangible assets for the year ended May 31, 2017 in millions. Other plant assets $922, land $250, patents and trademarks at cost $500, machinery and equipment $2,200, buildings $910, goodwill at cost $190, accumulated amortization $51, and accumulated depreciation $2,300. So under the exercise, so we're gonna prepare a partial balance sheet for the night for these items. So we're gonna list property, plant, and equipment in order of land, building, and equipment. So Nike Corporation partial balance sheet as of May 31, 2017 in millions. So what we're gonna do, one thing that usually helps me, I usually click this one, and then let's see here. Okay, this one. So what we're gonna do first is property, plant, and equipment. And then we're gonna go first with land. And land is $250. So 250 followed by buildings and improvements. Or buildings, sorry, how much is $910, and then machinery and equipment, that will be $2,200, and then other fund asset, which is $922. Then we're gonna list the accumulated depreciation, which is $2,300. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 910 plus 2,200 plus 920. So those are from buildings, machinery, equipment, other fund asset, consecutively. Okay. So that will be a total of $4,032. And then we're just going to subtract the accumulated depreciation, which is 2,300. So we're going to come up with 1,732. And then we're just gonna add to get the total total property, plant, and equipment. We're gonna add 1,732 and 250. So 250. So we're gonna end up with 1,952. Next part. We're gonna go with the intangible assets. There you go. And first is this one, the patents and trademarks at cost, $500. And then goodwill at cost, which is $190. We're gonna list the accumulated amortization, which is $51. Okay, so we're gonna subtract accumulated amortization from goodwill. So 190, which is a goodwill, minus accumulated depreciation, which is 51. we're gonna come up with 139. And then we're gonna add patterns incurred marks, which is 500, plus the difference from the subtraction earlier, which is 139. So we're just gonna add 139 plus 500. So 639 will be our total intangible assets. There you go. And now we're just gonna go ahead and submit it. Oh. What happened? Patterns and frameworks at cost. Let's see. Might be we just need to change this one. Let me check. This is goodwill. Which is 190. And you can go with patterns and trademarks, which is 500. Okay. And then let's check this way. Sorry guys. 500 minus 51. We have 449 minus 190. Oh, okay, save. Right. There you go. Just have to submit that. Alright, perfect. Sorry guys. So there you go. This is how you put the items in the partial balance sheet. Alright. Just in case if you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me or post the questions in the discussion board, and I'll do my best to answer those questions, okay? And thank you so much for listening. Have a good day. Bye-bye.